Let me fill you in on the rest of my trip to Costa Rica. My mom and I were staying in the Guanacaste province, which is basically a tropical paradise. It just has the most pristine, beautiful beaches. So we spent a lot of time just relaxing on the beach. One of our favorite things was actually an Airbnb experience. We went to this local Guanacaste farm that has been in this family for generations. And they gave us juice and fruit and local snacks. We got to try milking a cow. I was not good at it, my mom was. And then we went horseback riding. We helped them bring in the cows for the day, and by helped, I mean we basically were just along for the ride. We didn't do much. We'll get this one. Oh, never mind. It was so beautiful there. And then they got their oxen out and hitched them up to a cart and took us on an ox cart ride. We even got to ride the ox for a little while, which was quite the experience. We discovered that Costa Rica has a lot more dirt roads than we thought, so we started trying to avoid driving anywhere that was too off the beaten path. On Sunday, we went to a local church in the jungle. One night, we went out in the dark on a turtle tour to see a mother turtle lay her eggs, and unfortunately, the whole thing was kind of a bust. We only saw one turtle, and she was just digging in the sand and couldn't find a good spot to lay her eggs. One time on the beach, a local dog with a ton of fleas decided to try to make my mom his friend. She was not having it. We saw a couple of beautiful sunsets and locals playing on the beach. And then suddenly, before we knew it, our week in Costa Rica together was done, and my mom was dropping me off at the bus station for my next adventure.
Bye.